how to take your pet home in Widgetable app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can take your pet home in your Widgetable app. So first of all, you have to go for your Widgetable app on your device and you have to open up your Widgetable app. After that, you have to click on the pet option. So here on the pet, you have to go and you have to click on your pet. So after that, here you can see that you have your pet here. So to take your pet home in your Widgetable app, you have to go for the message option and here you have to message them that how to take your pet home. So they will answer you that to take me home, you can put on my leash and gently guide me to your vehicle or walk me home if it's nearby. So create a comfy space for me in the car and I will be a good passenger all the way. So here you can see that you can take your pet home by help of this message and you have the three transportation option to choose from to deliver the pet between your phone. So you can choose your car and you can choose your plane and rocket. So that's the process how to take your pet home in your Widgetable app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.